I've been knowing I don't have a Lavaca Presente, but I have everything I have. I have a Tralala, a stacked Carotini Brain Nene. I have everything I have, including Coco Fantos and the Squala Nana that I took. I had to turn on the performance stats this way. It wouldn't lag. I know how laggy it is. Oh crap, oh crap. Oh my life, he's still stuck. Oh my life, he's still stuck. Look at me, I have 2 Los Bombinitos. And I'm gonna rebirth with those too. Because I'm not gonna rebirth with those. But the network ping and the CPU still runs. And the memory. I haven't gotten a Medusa head. But they're like worth $5 million. I could be able to take his only brain rot, but then I wasn't able to. So I know because of that tralala I took, including the stat Carotini Brain Nene, will it take it to $1 billion, I think. I still have this radioactive Coco Fanto, as well as the brain rots that I needed for fusion. I don't even have a Lavaca Saturno. I know how rare the Lavaca is, but what would it be called Elvaca? Why not Lavaca? Even I couldn't get the tree Sahara. I locked the door, and obviously nothing happened. Goodbye, noob.